Harrison Gathathu is a distinguished African tech entrepreneur based in Kenya, known for his innovative ventures in manufacturing, social platforms, and e-commerce. His diverse business interests span across vending machines, water treatment, dairy equipment, and stainless steel products. Gathathu's entrepreneurial journey is a testament to his vision, resilience, and commitment to technological advancement and industrial growth in Africa. Early beginnings. Harrison Gathathu's passion for technology and innovation was evident from an early age. Growing up in Kenya, he was always fascinated by how technology could solve real-world problems and improve everyday life. This curiosity and drive led him to pursue a career in tech entrepreneurship, where he has made significant strides in various industries. Ventures in manufacturing. Gathathu's foray into manufacturing is marked by his work in vending machines and dairy equipment. Recognizing the need for efficient and reliable vending solutions in Kenya, he established a business that provides state-of-the-art vending machines, catering to various consumers. His expertise in dairy equipment has also been pivotal in modernizing the dairy industry, ensuring that farmers and dairy producers have access to high-quality, durable innovation in water treatment. Understanding the critical importance of clean water, Gathathu ventured into the water treatment sector. His company specializes in deploying advanced water treatment systems that ensure safe and potable water for communities and industries. This initiative not only addresses a vital need, but also contributes to the health and well-being of countless individuals. E-commerce and social platforms. In addition to his manufacturing and water treatment enterprises, Gathathu has made a significant impact in the digital realm. He has developed and managed social platforms that connect people and foster community engagement. His e-commerce ventures have revolutionized the way businesses operate, providing a robust online marketplace that facilitates trade and commerce across the region. Stainless steel business. Harrison Gathathu's stainless steel business underscores his versatility and adaptability as an entrepreneur. By offering high-quality stainless steel products, he meets the diverse needs of various industries, from construction to manufacturing. His commitment to quality and excellence has earned him a reputation as a reliable and innovative provider in this sector. Conclusion. Harrison Gathathu's entrepreneurial journey is a beacon of inspiration for aspiring tech entrepreneurs in Africa and beyond. His contributions to manufacturing, water treatment, dairy equipment, and stainless steel industries highlight his dedication to technological advancement, and through his ventures, Gathathu continues to drive progress, create opportunities, and improve lives, solidifying his position as a leading figure in the African tech